Hi everyone! Welcome to the Microfluidics Innovation Center video tutorial space. In this video, we will show you how to set up and start using our Galileo flow rate sensor. Galileo is a precision instrument that works on the principle of detecting a pressure drop across the sensor. It covers a wide range of flow rates. It works with a variety of different liquid types and can alert the user to measurement drift and sensor clogging. The flow sensor can also be used in a CO2 incubator for cell culture experiments. And here it is. The Galileo flow sensor is composed of two parts: a base with a screen that will show the flow rate and some indicator lights, and a cartridge that the liquid flows through. Different cartridges will cover different ranges of flow rates, so you should choose the cartridge that is best suited to your experiment. Setup is simple. Just slide the cartridge into the base. You should feel it click into place thanks to the magnets. Connect the Galileo base to a USB port on your computer using the provided cable. In a few seconds, all status lights will go green. In particular, connect means the cartridge is well inserted. Note the flow direction. In and out are marked on the cartridge. Now we'll connect the sensor to a fluidic experiment. Here we're connecting a liquid reservoir to the inlet of Galileo and our experiment to the outlet. Here we're using a straight channel chip and a waste container. It's time to start the software. Download the software for Windows from the Galileo website and install it. Open the software by clicking the icon. Click on the button Connect Galileo. Choose the liquid you'll be using in the drop-down menu and press Apply. Some of the choices currently available are water, various alcohols, including viscous liquid dilutions, phosphate buffered saline, cell culture medium with 10% FPS, and some alkanes. You can also change the graph display time and graph sampling time over here on the right, and the acquisition sampling time down here on the left. Now let's see how it works. Start the flow using the pump of your choice and wait for the system to fill. With our lowest range cartridge, this might take upwards of several minutes, during which time the status light will show orange until the sensor is full of liquid. Once filled, the real-time flow rate value can be read on the Galileo screen as well as on the software interface. The flow rate can be recorded by pressing Start Acquisition and entering a file name. When done, hit Stop Acquisition in place of Start. A note on the indicator lights. Once flowing, a status alert light indicates a potential clog or measurement drift or presence of small trapped bubbles, as can frequently occur with other flow sensors, but you are not alerted to this fact. A pressure alert light indicates an overpressure of above 3 bar, and the pressure should be lowered. For best results, always clean and rinse the Galileo sensor when you're done, and store it dry. Now you're ready to use the Galileo flow sensor in your own experiment. Check out these resources for more details, including technical specifications and application notes on sensor use. Thanks for watching.